Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Songs Your Dad Should Have Shown You. Today, we're going to go a little bit out there in the alternative scene with the band called Soul Coughing. So, this was Mike Doughty. He was kind of a prodigy, kind of a genius type, very poetic. Like, he was known for being just super poetry. Um, they called their brand of music experimental noise or something along those lines. He was like a mix of like fusion, rock, jazz, like everything. But super good band, super interesting. They put out a couple of big hits. Circles was one of their more popular songs. Today we're going to look at Super Bon Bon. So let's just go ahead and take a look at old Mike Doughty and Soul Coughing. Any song that starts out with a drum like that's good in my book. Character, all right.
Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through.
I like the stand-up bass. That's cool.
And let the man go through. Let the man go through.
Their videos were always trippy.
If I stole somebody else's wave to fly up, and if I rose up with the avenue behind me, some kind of verb, some kind of moving thing, something unseen, some hand is motioning.
Such a weird mix, man. It's almost like hip hop mixed in there too. So good, man. It's just like stream of consciousness. I don't even think he thinks about the lyrics. He just kind of writes them.
Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through.
So good.
Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through.
I mean, come on. Come on. The guy's just a prodigy. A lot of people just didn't get him, like they didn't understand him because he was a little eccentric. He was born in Kentucky, Fort Knox, I think, and but they kind of based the band out of New York. But he's not a great vocalist or anything like that. He was just really known for his musical style and writing and his poetry. Like he had really good lyrics and really interesting fusion of a bunch of different genres of music. So it's a song that your dad didn't show you. You probably need to like maybe slap him in his face because this is a must show.